2 eggs, please, by Sarah Weeks and Betsy Lewin. Two eggs, please. What'll it be? 2 eggs, please, sunny side up. Two eggs, please, over easy. Different. Two eggs, please, scrambled. Two eggs, please, soft-boiled for me, hard-boiled for him. Two eggs on a roll, please. Different. Two eggs, please, fried. Side of bacon, hash browns, corn muffin, sausage, OJ, and a lightly toasted sesame seed bagel with cream cheese. No butter. Two eggs, please, poached. My friend here would like a couple of raw ones, if you wouldn't mind. Different. Two sunny side up, two over easy, two scrambled, two soft boiled, two hard boiled, two on a roll, two fried, two poached, and two raw. Different. The same. Two eggs coming up. Different, but the same. The end.